Hi guys, welcome to Swangnic channel. Today I got this new Jigsaw puzzle with you guys. Let's unbox with me. This puzzle contains 108 pieces. It's a thing of jungle secret. There's a belt on both sides so kids can carry it as a bag. Now let's see the back of this package. Wow, there are so many cartoon animals here. I love it. There are tigers, lions, and so on. Next, let's open this box to see what's inside. First of all, we got this. It is a sample here. We can assemble the puzzle according to this sample. The puzzle is a shape of the trees. Now I will pull all the pieces out. We got so many pieces here. The textures are so good. Now I will assemble the puzzles.
Later.
Look, I've finished my work now. It looks amazing. This gorgeous puzzle can be framed up as decoration at home. Great! Check it out on Amazon. Bye guys, see you next time.